Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. As you can see from the title, I'm finally doing another cleaning video. It's been such a long time since I've actually done a clean with me, so I thought I'd give you guys some motivation today and tidy my house. And I also want to try and sort of figure out what I want to do with the spare room a bit more and do some organising, decluttering, and yeah, just have a nice cozy day at home. So I really hope that you enjoy hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just jump straight into it. So this is what we're currently working with, and it's actually not too bad in here today. I did give it a good tidy up yesterday and a bit of a clean. Oh, look how cute he is. But yeah, so in here isn't too bad, but as you can see, the kitchen is looking, well, its usual state. So I need to go in and give that a good clean. Let's get some light in here though, because it's always better cleaning when the sun's out. So yeah, I need to do the kitchen, and then in here, yeah, when I've done down here, we can head upstairs and I can show you the beauty room. It doesn't look anything like a beauty room at the minute, but I'm so excited to actually get it started. In the next few weeks, I'm going to paint it, and I think I'm just going to go white because, you know, I don't like magnolia. That's just not for me, but I'm so excited to really plan and get it all done, get it painted white, because I think that's like such a huge thing. Like, it can transform the whole room. I also have this mirror in mind at the range that I want to get. It's absolutely beautiful, it's huge, and yeah, I think it would be perfect. I think I showed it in my previous shopping video, so I'm definitely keeping my eye on that one. Let's just jump straight in and start off with this mess. So before I do anything, I need a coffee because I'm a coffee addict, which is hilarious because I actually drink decaf, but for some reason it still gives me that boost that I need. So I don't know, I think I'm addicted to the taste rather than the caffeine.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. You know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Go on now, chase your dreams. I'm buzzing, let's drink up. You deaf look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm stunning, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby.
So this is what the spare room is looking like at the minute, and honestly it is just like a catch-all spare room, I guess. It doesn't look anything like a beauty room, but that's what I want to try and turn it into. So I'm going to be taking these bits through into the garage, sorting out the washing. I did put a little bit too much on, so I think some of it's ready to hang and then some of it's still a bit wet, so I've got to go through that, sort that out, probably put that back in the garage as well, and just try and sort of picture how it's all going to go. Maybe move a few bits around, but I think that's where I want the big mirror to go. So yeah, obviously I'm not turning it into a beauty room today. I'm just thinking through what I need to do, rearranging a few bits. I do have some other pictures down here that I want to put up on the wall, but I'm going to wait until I've painted it white because there's no point doing it now. But I do want like these ones to go, so they'll be going somewhere else. And yeah, I'm going to have some like white or cream curtains, more furniture, more just home decor. It's just another room for me to buy home decor for. Yeah, when all of this is done, I'm hoping it's just going to be like a really, really pretty beauty room. I think I'm going to be sticking with like gold, silver, whites, creams, very neutral colours. Maybe a bit of pink because I am getting back into liking pink again. I want to say hello. Say hello. So yeah, I'm just gonna first of all sort the laundry out and then we can start rearranging. I need to sort this out. Are you gonna help me?
This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right.
Okay, so I've swapped it over and I think I actually prefer it like this, and I'm just thinking when I've got the big mirror it'll probably be better here, so when I'm taking selfies and just speaking to you guys in the mirror it's going to be like a nice background. I think I'm going to paint it white and then have those pictures that I showed you, these ones. It is a pack of 3. Let's have a look, see where it is. So it's got those 3. Come out the way, sweetheart, come out the way. Yeah, and I think I'm just going to have it across that wall there with the wall painted white, and then it will just be a really nice background for like a really big mirror. So I am liking that. I'm probably going to end up putting this back there for now because I do need a desk to go there, but I just wanted to see what it'd look like having a cabinet over that side. And yeah, I really like it. Again, that picture won't be there, the walls will be white, and then I'll just have some sort of decorative thing on there. But I just wanted to just try and visualize it a bit more, so I am going to go ahead and put this, like the cabinet, back over there. But yeah, I think it's going to look quite nice. I might even get like an ottoman for the middle of the room. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, I know that I want another cabinet like with big drawers going along that wall, and another cabinet to replace that one back there. I don't know if an ottoman in the middle of the room will be too much. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. But it is going to be a pretty packed room, but I want it to just be full of pretty things. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly swap that back, and then I've got some more tidying to do.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you go. When I come back, you feed it up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
This room is way too dark to actually film doing it, so I'm just going to use some YouTube magic on this one. Ta-da! If only it was actually that quick. I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. As you can see, Max wants my attention so much, so I'm going to put the camera down and give him some fusses. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope it's given you the motivation that you came looking for. I've really enjoyed hanging out with you guys today, so please do subscribe before you leave, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in my next video. Bye!